information or whatever you call. I created that. I created it all in my mind. I gave them the names and the characters and the information that they have, even today. I woke these people up. I created them with my mind. Then I beat the game. My money was coming in thick. I probably was making anywhere around $12,000 a month. Easy, not moving a finger. $12,000, I had access to that a month.
Moving them lips.
Anything that I wanted, I could have it. The game was there. Cars, clothes, anything that I pretty much wanted. If I want to wake up and fuck off the whole day, it doesn't matter. I lived like this for years. A residual income. For years I lived like this, so I had access to everything Babylon had to offer until I fucking got tired of that shit. I did it to death.
Literally.